Sketch the ellipse given by 4x squared plus y squared equals 36 and identify the center and the vertices. When we sketch an ellipse, we also want to put it in standard form. It's easy to find all the things we need to find. So given our two standard form equations, if you notice, they always equal 1, which means we want to make this guy equal 1. Easiest way to do that, we're just going to divide everything by 36 to make this side equal to 1. Divide by 36. So it looks like the standard form. Over here, we have 4 over 36. We could reduce that. We could divide them both by 4. We get x squared over 9 plus y squared over 36. And 36 divided by 36 is just going to be 1. So there's my standard form of an ellipse. And we're going to use this to graph. Here's my xy chart. I should label my axes. And the first thing we always want to find when you graph is the center. My center here looks like 0, 0. There's no h and k, 0, 0. Right there. Next, let's find our a and our b. In this problem, the number underneath the y squared is the bigger number, which makes this our a squared. Now make this guy our b squared. When we graph it, we just want to graph the a. I know a squared equals 36. Square root both sides, a equals 6. That's how much we're going to travel on our y, because it's underneath the y squared. 6 up, right there. And we're going to go 6 down. This point here would be 0, 6. This point here would be 0, negative 6. Same idea for our b. B squared equals 9. Square root it. B equals 3. Well, plus or minus 3. We're going to go 3 in each direction on the x, because it's underneath the x value. 1, 2, 3. That'd be 3, 0. And then 1, 2, 3. Negative 3, 0. And then we can graph it. We're just going to connect all the points. And there is my ellipse. Now, they didn't ask for it, but I'm going to add in the foci. If I want to find the foci, the point of the foci, so the equation for foci is c squared equals a squared minus b squared. Basically, the bigger one minus the smaller one. We already have a squared and b squared. A squared is 36, and b squared is 9. We're going to get c squared equals 27, square root both sides. And c is in the square root of 27, also known as 3 square root of 3. Or we could round it to 5.1-ish. The reason I wanted to do the foci is how do we graph the foci? The foci is always on the major axis. It has to go on the major axis. I'm going to go up and down my foci on this one. From our center, we're going to go up 5.1, 0, 5.1, and we're going to go down 5.1, negative 5.1. And there's our graph. I have my co-vertices at 3 and negative 3. I have my vertices at 6 and negative 6. And I have my foci at 5.1 and negative 5.1. It's a nice graph.